Today I'm going to show you how to create this text animation in Premiere Pro. Select the Type tool and type in your text, then go over to Properties and modify it however you want. Now go to Effects and search for Transform and add the effect to your text layer. Go over to Effect Controls and under Transform, click the stopwatch button beside Position and Opacity and change Opacity to 0. Uncheck the Use Composition Shutter Angle and change the angle to 360. Now move your timeline slider ahead 1 second and modify Opacity to 100, then decrease the Y position of your text by 90. Highlight all your keyframes and right-click, select Temporal Interpolation Ease In, then do it again but select Ease Out this time. Now expand position and drag the right blue circle to the left, then select the opacity keyframes and expand, then do the same thing. Right-click your text layer and select Nest, then go to Effects and search for Crop and add the effect to your text layer. Now duplicate your text so that there's exactly 6 copies of it on your timeline, then highlight the first clip. Under Effect Controls, select Crop, then go over to your timeline and drag the edges of your screen to isolate the first letter. Now highlight the second layer and click on Crop again, then isolate the second letter of your word. Continue doing this until you've isolated each letter of your word. From the start of your clip, move your timeline slider ahead 1 frame, then move the first letter to that spot. Now move ahead 1 more frame and move the second letter to that spot. Continue doing this until you've moved every letter of your word 1 frame ahead of the one before it.